Hey guys, we're already entering barangay na po. Next to Balinad. I don't know the next barangay after here. Okay. Meron sila ditong subdivision guys. Ganda. Magurang, you said it before. After this, I think Barangay Magurang. Now we will see. We'll check the name of the next barangay after this barangay na po. Okay. Time check. It's only 7:45 guys. Malamig pa din dahil maraming bundok dito. Malamig pa din ang simoy ng hangin.
Barangay. Punso?
I think Barangay Magurang.
No, Punso first.
Ponso? Ah, okay. We will see. What's next barangay after this barangay na po? Okay. We're near in the town proper of Pulangi, guys. Only 2 barangays left before we arrive in the Pulangi town proper. Okay, tahimik na lugar, malamig na simoy ng hangin, tahimik na lugar, napakaganda. Siguro ko maraming magbabike dito, konti ang dumadaan na sasakyan. Hindi risky sa mga bikers tulad namin ang anak ko, hindi gaano risky, pero ingat pa rin, ride safe pa rin guys, ride safe pa rin tayo. Okay, update ko ito maya maya guys.